So one of the ways you can go ahead and start creating structures inside of SketchUp is by using the rectangle tool. So to do that, over here on the top, you can see the rectangle tool. You see the shapes. You can go ahead and expand. And here you can see that rectangle is an option. Once you go ahead and do that, you can click on a space and then simply go ahead and release it, and then click on another space and simply you have a rectangle, as you can see right here. Similarly, let's say for example you want to create another rectangle, you can click and drag it out right here and overlap it out just like that as well. Apart from that, you can go ahead and click and drag, and if you want to define a particular inch, then you can simply go ahead and type in 9 inch, let's say for example right here, and then you get 9 inch of rectangle right there, just like that. So that is what you have. And if I were to go ahead right here, click and drag it right here, you can also go ahead and utilize arrow keys if you want to change out the angle. Let's say for example there's the vertical angle right here, just like this, and you can use the arrow key to go ahead and change the angle right here, just like this. Use the arrow key right and left right here to go ahead and change out wherever you want the angle to be. Let's say for example you want the rectangle to be from here to here, let's say for example right here, just like this. Then you can go ahead and use the angle right here to go ahead and change it out right here. So you can go ahead and build out something like a box right here, just like this, as you can see. So let's just go ahead and utilize my arrow right here, and similarly you can go ahead and make a shape just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the rectangle tool inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe